Have you ever thought about trying out the Digimon? Yeah, when I was a kid, I actually collected Digimon cards. And I want to start collecting them again. I definitely prefer them over Pokemon cards, at least like design-wise. But yeah, I'd love to do like a card opening pack stream for like Digimon. I think that'd be so fun. That'd be so fun. There's a Terriermon structure deck. Ah! Hold on. So cute! Is it the double typhoon set? Oh, it just came out in EN like a month ago. Wow! That's so cute! Ow! That's so cute! Thank you so much for coming out, and I will see you all later. Bye-bye for now. Oh yeah, Shiki. Mwah, 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 mwah.